Uh, there are days when I'm just not a morning person. Now we're here kind of early, but it's supposed to be really worthwhile. What we've seen about this place looks really good. We're looking forward to trying it. They have an ube French toast that looks very Instagrammable, but we're not getting that today. They also have a pork belly bowl where they have pork belly and rice and all kinds of greens, and that looks delicious as well. We're not getting that either. I'm getting the chocolate covered strawberry French toast. Hey, you know, my sweet tooth going crazy. And Young's got her spicy on. She's getting the black sesame waffle with spicy chicken on it. So we're looking forward to this. This should be an interesting, tasty breakfast. And it's nice the place isn't crowded right now. I understand it gets really crowded about 10 a.m. It's not 10 a.m. I'm going to go back to sleep till my lunch comes. We are at Toast Kitchen and Bakery in Costa Mesa. Toast opened up in the same place where the Golden Truffle used to be. The Golden Truffle was a classic Orange County restaurant that everybody knew about. The guy who ran it was the teacher for all the major chefs in Orange County. It shut down. I was very upset. I used to love to go there a couple of times a year for celebrations. Toast now has reopened. We're going to see if this is worth the space that it occupies, because frankly, this is a royal space. So we're looking forward to trying out some of their pictures of their food. Look good, and we'd really like to have a nice breakfast today. You can tell that this restaurant pays a lot of attention to the presentation. Look at my chocolate covered strawberry French toast. Now, chocolate and strawberries is always a nice combination as far as I'm concerned. I always like it together. But it looks like a lot of these strawberries are fresh, but a couple of them, no, they're all fresh. They're all fresh strawberries. And then they give me a little thing of chocolate sauce, is this, to go with it? No, this is maple syrup. Okay, there's a little chocolate sauce on it. The strawberry, very pretty. Looks like what you'd get in a Valentine. Never go wrong with maple syrup on your French toast, even if it's chocolate strawberry French toast. Let's see what it tastes like. This is supposedly a creme brulee batter. That is a good French toast. If you're looking for something a little crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, it's well cooked. The creme brulee batter is good. Strawberries and chocolate together, nothing wrong with that. This is more like dessert than breakfast. Very decadent breakfast. I like it. It's good. Now, as I said, they pay attention to presentation here. You can tell. Look at Young's waffles and chicken. Is this one of the most beautiful plates of chicken and waffles you've ever seen? Now, I'm guessing this chicken is super spicy, which Young's going to love. And the waffles are a black sesame waffle. So it's a little different than your standard chicken and waffles. No? Get your chicken and your waffles. Bucka, 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 bucka. You should try some of my French toast. It's very good. That chicken looks very, very crisp on the outside. Oh, wow. Boneless chicken breast. Travesty. It's good. It is.
Oh my goodness. This is really, really good.
Is it death spicy or is it okay?
It's not really spicy.
Nothing's really spicy if you ask Young.
But skin is really crunch. Skin. Yes. It is good. Here we go. So good. Really, really good.
Now that is a tasty chicken. It's actually very good. It's very moist. It is crispy. Don't listen to Young. It is spicy.
It is
But
not spicy.
yeah, I know it's not. But it's really spicy. You'll be burning your tongue. It'll be burning the back of your mouth. But it's still good. She put the maple syrup on it, so it's slightly sweet. Nice combination.
Okay. That's the black sesame. Did you order black sesame?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see any black sesame. See? No
It's
black
blended into the batter.
Really? I don't know, it's been sitting here, it's a little bit gets softened. Oh, it's really good. I can taste black sesame. I think I need a little bit more syrup. What kind of syrup is this?
That's maple.
Maple syrup. I think I see a little bit sweet. How is it?
Delicious. Try some.
I think Whopper is good, but definitely this spicy chicken is just amazing. Mm. Mm. And more sugar.
I put maple syrup on it.
Chicken is so exceptionally good. And it's like not too spicy, but a little bit hint of spice. And the skin is very crispy.
He's not too sweet, not too spicy, but just right.
Yeah, you're exactly right. I can just come here for the chicken. Mm. Mm, So good. The staff is very friendly. The restaurant itself very clean. I like it. Very, very clean. Very well organized. All these utensils and cups and it's like a bar and everything is. I look around and everything is very, very clean. And the wall decoration is very simple, but it's very stylish. So I really like that.
It's so nice after being locked down for a year, not being able to go out to restaurants, not being able to go shopping. We can find, everything's great. It's not being able to go out to restaurants, not being able to go out shopping. Now we can come here for a nice decadent breakfast of chocolate-covered French toast and chicken and waffles. It's a nice experience.
I really
Yeah.
like it. And chicken just, it's like a big piece. It's not a